Guy, right?
Family Guy. Where's the drive-thru?
You have to go. Oh, there's people waiting. Damn it. There's Dairy Queen.
Dude, they're gonna kick our asses and kick us out.
It only will. Oh wait, no. I thought that was someone. Oh never mind. I thought that was someone in the drive-thru. Sorry. It's only will work the ice cream thing if it's the truck, not like in
I can go around here and just leave.
Lower the music.
Welcome to Wendy's.
I want blue.
Sorry?
I want blue cheeseburger. Yay!
I want the.
He's looking. She's like, motherfucker.
Motherfucker, why you do this to me? We went to McDonald's before and we did this.